In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the organization's language to Hindi in Zoho Books. This is a useful skill for those looking to work in a language they are more comfortable with, or if you simply want to cater to a Hindi-speaking team. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by typing Zoho Books into your search bar, or directly visiting their webpage. Once you're on the website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. This will be quite helpful later on. Next, you will need to sign in. Look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login information, your email and password. If you're logging in for the first time, be sure to double check your credentials for accuracy. Once successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your Zoho Books dashboard. Now that you're inside the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Settings section. Look around for an icon or a menu item labeled Settings. Often this will be found somewhere towards the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on it. Once inside the settings area, you'll need to access your profile settings. The profile is where you manage a lot of your personal settings, including language options. Click on Profile to proceed to the next step. You're now within your profile management section. From here, your next step is to find the language settings. Look for an option that says Language. Once you find it, click on it to open the language options available to you. In this section, you'll see a list of languages that Zoho Books supports. Scroll through to find Hindi. When you find it, select it by clicking on it. This effectively changes the language settings for your organization's account to Hindi. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the organization's language to Hindi. This change will now reflect across your Zoho Books application and make it more accessible for Hindi-speaking users. Don't forget to take a few moments to navigate around the platform, ensuring that everything appears as you expect it. Switching languages can alter the layout in some fields, so it's a good idea to give it a once over. Thank you for joining me today in making Zoho Books more accessible to Hindi speakers. Remember, if you need to revert back to another language or make further tweaks, you can always return to the settings and update your preferences. Happy bookkeeping, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.